Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Wrangler turn signal bulb. First, ensure your Jeep is parked safely with the engine off. You will need a T15 Torx bit and a new 3157 amber bulb. Begin by opening the hood to gain access to the front grille. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with the next steps. Now, let's remove the grille to access the turn signal housing. You will find 6 plastic clips positioned along the top edge of the grille. Using a flathead screwdriver or a specialized trim tool, carefully pry up and remove each of these clips. Once all clips are out, gently pull the top of the grille forward. This will release it from its lower mounting points, allowing you to set it aside. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a big thumbs up. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when working on your Jeep. I highly recommend the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the grille removed, you can now easily access the turn signal housing. It is located directly behind where the grille was, on the fender. Firmly grasp the bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. This will release the socket from the housing. Carefully pull the old 3157 bulb straight out of the socket, then firmly push the new amber bulb into place. Now it's time to reassemble everything and test your new bulb. Insert the bulb's socket back into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the grille with its lower mounting points and push it firmly into place. Finally, reinsert all 6 plastic clips along the top of the grille. Turn on your Jeep's ignition and test the turn signal to ensure it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.